Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add simple formatting, including bullets and colors, to a Yahoo Mail message. Let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and click on the Compose button to start a new email. Next, type or paste your text into the message field. To create a bulleted list, highlight the text you want to format. Then click the More Options button, 3 dots. Choose either a numbered list or bullet points, based on your preference. To make text bold, highlight the word or phrase and click the B button. You can also change the text color by selecting the text, clicking the text color button, and picking a color like magenta. If you want to highlight text, click the Highlight Color button and choose a background color, like dark green. To ensure good readability, set the text color to white. Once you're happy with the formatting, simply hit Send to send your email. And that's it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.